Hey guys, it's Leah here with Winter, my husky that I just got. I should do a video of me getting here, but anyway, so it is 1:09 in the morning. If I can zoom in here. It's 1:09 in the morning, and I don't know if you can hear it on this camera very well, but sorry, I was cleaning my lens. But it's very windy outside, and like, I wonder if I can turn on my light and you can see it. I'm in my pajamas right now because, you know, it's nighttime, and it might not look windy, but let me tell you, it is very windy. If you guys watch my room tour, yes, I do live in a sunroom, and yes, it's very old, and my roof, like, you can hear it, not like cracking, like breaking cracking, it's just like cracking, you know, like somebody popping their knuckles. Like, they're not broken or anything, they're just, you know, cracking, and it is very loud, and I cannot sleep because I cannot sleep during wind. And I don't feel like downloading an app for ambient sounds and plugging it in my headphones and leaving it on all night. But yeah, so it's freezing. I am cold. I have an electric heater, and I just turned it on because I am freezing. Earlier I was like, oh my gosh, it's so hot. And like now I'm like, oh my gosh, where's that heat go? I'm so cold. And yeah. So I have my light on, my dad's still awake, my mom's still awake, and my sister's awake still. My dog's asleep, he's right there. That's his end, his tail. Well, that's not his entire tail, that's his back end, but, yeah, it's very windy outside, and it's just crazy outside, and I wanted to film today, but I didn't. We went to Chili's today, and I got my food. I was one of the first ones to get my food, and what's weird is that it's very windy, and yet it's in November. We're in November. Okay, just move it. We're in November, and it's very windy, and yeah, so that's kind of weird, but yeah, so I might do a morning video. Next week I'm gonna be doing, I just heard my roof crack. I don't know if you heard it, but I just heard my roof crack. Anyway, it's not broken though, which is a good thing. Anyway, so all next week I'm gonna be doing new videos, cause after Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we're off school for Thanksgiving break, and yeah, so that's good. But this wind is super crazy. I am very annoyed, so I'm trying to find something to do on my phone. I'm not sure I guess my password, but I'm trying to find something to do. Like, it is literally nothing to do. I have a couple games, but I don't really like them. I have Color Switch, and I have Block, and yeah. You can tell I'm kind of tired because, like, I'm not really talking very loud like I usually do. But, yeah, so, you know. And so anyway, bad lighting. I just like pulled off a piece of her fur. Where did it go? I just saw it earlier. Like, where did it go? Anyway, that fell off, but oh well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.